Okay, let's get this down. I'm gonna give my PS3 account free. Only if, only if you give me your account. Okay? I'm gonna give you, check. I'll give you 5 accounts of mine. Five, five, five! Yes! 5! That's awesome deal, isn't it? Got one? Too bad for you. You know what? Because on Dead Island, I, I have all guns unlimited. I, so, sorry, I'll do it.